Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, steel wheels, wheel covers, FWD, headlights auto off, security system, cruise control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.